guys, I hope you're all having a great Sunday, and it is almost, let's see, it's 10 past 12 already. Just finished a late breakfast, finished cleaning up the kitchen. Now I'm just going to have a quick cup of tea and upload this video, and then I am going to come back and do a tag that I was tagged in from Jerree, My Life Inspired By, and I'll put her link down below, and I'll see you all soon.